Today we're diving into the impressive features of the Dreame X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum, a powerhouse of cleaning innovation designed for indoor use with a remarkable 12,000 pascals suction power that tackles dirt, hair, and debris across hard floors, carpets, marble, wood, and tile with ease. This sleek black device not only boasts a liftable and removable mop to protect your carpets from moisture but also features a liftable side brush that reaches into corners and around furniture legs, ensuring no spot is left untouched. With OmniDirt detection and MopExtend RoboSwing technologies, the X40 Ultra smartly identifies and scrubs stubborn messes, while its 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop and washboard self-cleaning function keeps everything fresh and odor-free. The vacuum's advanced app control allows you to customize cleaning modes, set no-go zones, and even manage pet-friendly settings, all while benefiting from its extended battery life and automatic recharging capabilities. Thanks to its 3D structured light, built-in camera, and LED light, the X40 Ultra navigates your home with precision, avoiding over 80 types of obstacles and ensuring a thorough clean every time. Plus, with a massive 6,400 mAh battery, this robotic vacuum offers non-stop cleaning performance, automatically optimizing charging during off-peak hours to save on energy costs. Experience the future of home cleaning with the Dreame X40 Ultra, where smart technology meets powerful performance for a cleaner, more efficient home.